guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Today's tutorial guys, I have for you the LG, and of course this is a Ultra HD TV. It comes with AI ThinQ, and of course this model is the 43U-Q75, and of course based on the model name you can surmise that this is a 43-inch TV. You can check out some of the features. Of course it's 43 inches or 108 centimeters or 43 inches as it says. WebOS, which is from LG. LG is one of the better brands of TVs. Realtek 4K, and of course it comes with AI processing for 4K, ThinQ AI, WebOS, and of course it works with Apple AirPlay or Apple HomeKit. That's for the smart home features. You can check out the preview of the TV, general look, and of course this is the unit itself. Alright guys, so just want to show you the top of the box. Alright, front profile, and basically it's the same thing all around. I'm gonna open this up just to show you what's inside of the box and give you a general run through of the contents of the box. So stay tuned. The sides are basically the same thing. Alright guys, so I've opened the box, and of course this is the styrofoam packing. Inside we have the 2 feet, standard again. These are the mounting feet. Alright, so these are the mounted feet. Of course, we're gonna assemble these. If you're gonna wall mount this, you can skip this. I have tutorials on the mounts, such as the Radio Shack swivel mount, and of course the standard mount. Alright, so I'm gonna get this out of the box. And as you can see here, guys, this is brand new. Alright guys, so you get the standard plug. It looks a little bit different, but it's angled, which is not bad. You place this to the TV. Again, you get the pack. You get a zip tie for cable management. You get a remote. So the remote comes sealed, so we can look at this. And this is the remote from LG. So as you see the units, there's numbers, there's direction pads, volume up and down channel, and the LG branding and so on. Alright. It was very nice of them to include this battery. Some screws, which might be related to mounting, but it's a good idea to keep these. TV user remote control, different languages, various languages. Your information pamphlet shows you how to assemble the unit for mounting. Best to go with the TV version versus your wall mount version. So this is another key piece of information. Here we have some more information here. And of course their user guide. Maybe the TV runs you through the general information, so I'm not going to go too much into that. And of course this is the TV itself, so I'm going to basically remove it from its plastic housing. Alright guys, so this is the TV itself. As we said, this is an unboxing. So as you can see, we have the logo here. I think there's a sensor here and control mechanisms. And of course, as you can see, this is the LG TV. Let me show you the thickness. So I'm going to turn this to the side. So check it out, guys. It's a little bit big on the back. Alright, so as you can see, this is the back of the unit. Like layouts a little bit different. HDMI. You can see Ethernet port and so on. The various connection points. Here we have some sections here as well with additional HDMIs, and of course the thickness. It's not super thick, but it does have a little bit of heft to the back. Some TVs cheat by making here thin and down here larger, but of course it gives you kind of uniformity. Overall weight, relatively heavy, not super heavy but still heavy. Could be much lighter. As you can see, again, there's a breakout section here. Not sure what this is for. Seems to be some easy access hatch. Here's a section for the power cable. You'll put your power cable there. Alright, so as you can see here guys, the bezels are not bad. Less than an inch, I would say about half of an inch. So it's roughly half of an inch thick. Here is thinner. The sides are also thin, so this overall is not a bad TV. This is just a general unboxing. In the next tutorial, I'll go through and show you what it looks like for setup, and also running through the general of this TV itself. We hope you enjoy the guide, and as always, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, and just set a quick tips showing you the unboxing of the LG UHD AI ThinQ as a 43UQ75. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.